labor and this call is now being recorded. Here we found discrimination between female and male. They are involved in same work or task, but there is discrimination. You see, now our new topic is equality in democracy. Jagat Dipesh will start reading.
Okay, sir. Equality in democracy. To understand many of these things, we need to think think about what we can do for ourselves. So where there is no equality, where we can try. I should not think I can do anything. It is necessary to take initiative for this only if we keep hygiene measures one can never go for selfishness. The same is true for equality. Here are some details. Based on these details, what can you do about equality? Noted that.
Yes, equality in democracy. Yes, first of all, to understand the thing, as we have just discussed, how equality is maintained. Last period, we have seen a picture about three people. There was much difference in height, and so that they were unable to watch the incidents or whatever is going on in the ground. So, support given by our constitution is different to each of them, and this way, our constitution tries to make them. First thing is, where there is no equality, we should try for equality. We can think I can do everything, but for that we should take necessary steps. If we think about ourselves, then we will be selfish. Our hygiene measures for it, that is not good. That is not well. That is not true equality in democracy. This way, here we are going to discuss some details. How or what can we do for the same? Here you can see a picture. It is of Gram Sabha. If you are villagers or if you visit village, maybe your grandparents or some other relatives are there. You might heard the word Gram Sabha. In class 6, perhaps you heard this word in our textbook, Gram Sabha. Here is a meeting. Every citizen, elderly citizens, sarpanch, other elected members, and government officials, means theoretical ministers, primary health workers, sometimes TDOs, etc. comes. They discuss the problems of the village. They also discuss and try to find solution for the same. That is called Gram Sabha. By this, we can also inform all the villagers or all the people of the village about different schemes of the government, how they can get their rights, etc. This way, we can make our. Here is a chart. Equality in democracy topic is the same. Here are a few questions with you. What if the woman is paid less? Even today we can see in industries, even in other institutions, farm laborers, construction laborers, etc. For the same work, same labor, females pays less. So we should try. Government has made law, but if we can't complain, then how others can know? We also don't complain. It is because of. If we complain, at that time it might be possible that we lose our job or work. And so that this way females are exploited. Second thing is, what if a person is financially exploited? Financially, this way, as for the same work, we are paying differently. Or whatever the government norms for minimum package, we are not getting in private sector. This way, in private sector, people are exploited. Next one, what if child labor is seen? If we see child labor, at that time, we should try to remove it, explain the child, his parents, and we can also complain related authority against the one who hire or employ or children under the 14 years or age less than 14 years. Next one is, what if someone else is sitting on the bus seat for the disabled? As we know, when we are traveling in government buses, at that time we can see different lines reserved for female, reserved for disabled, reserved for MLS. These kinds of lines are there. But if there is no person like this, at that time we can sit, no doubt. But when we are sitting and find a disabled person, then what should we do? We should stand up and provide the seat to particular one. If the seat is for female reserved, we should provide the seat to females also. This way we can in each of the condition or here it is a small story, equality, a challenge. It is the last story of the chapter. Then after chapter will be Ashnani Keya.
Yes, sir. Small village, only two water wells in the village. Here the whole village is filled with water in two parts. Time passed, water was emptied in a well in the village. Now half the villagers were uncomfortable filling water. Fearing that the water would run out of the well, the people of one area were not allowed to fill another area. This is called inequality, an incident that violates equality has a detrimental effect on social harmony.
Yes. There is a story related to a village. In that village, there were two wells for water, pure water. Now, some group of the people or some part of the village can get the water from one well, while other group or part can get the water from other well. It was divided. There are many reasons for this division. We are not discussing right now, but it was divided. Then after what happened? In one of the well, water was empty, means well was dried up. Now the other part where the well has water, the villagers have fear. If we allow them, the water will be empty. The well will be empty. And this way, they are not allowed the other group to take water from that well. These kind of incidents is violation against neighborhoods. It also affects social harmony of our and so that whatever is, it is for everyone, it is for everyone. Yes, Kokari Maria,
Yes, sir.
continue.
Sometimes in the village, disputes can be seen or heard by playing loudspeakers in a temple or a mosque on personal occasions. I have a challenge to equality. On such occasions, we should try to maintain peace and behave with the spirit of equality. In order to maintain harmony in the society, great efforts should be made by the government. The right to equality has been given to society and everyone in the dark. We must be vigilant so that we can exercise our right.
Yes. We have seen in some area of the village, sometimes in cities also, dispute between two communities or two group of the people. Here is example for playing on loudspeaker. In temple or mosque, when there is loudspeaker in temple, the people of other religions oppose it. When there is loudspeaker in mosque, people of other religions oppose it. And this made dispute. It is also a challenge for equality. By this, we cannot maintain equality. We love our thing, we also love or accept things or rituals related to other caste or community. By this only, we can maintain equality. By this, we should try to maintain peace. Many times we have seen there are festivals in different communities, whether they are Hindus, Muslims, Sikh. During the time, we should behave peacefully and we should have the spirit of equality. If possible, we should be helpful and involved in the activity. Otherwise, we should be silent and let them to fulfill their activity peacefully. This way, if we do so, others will also others will do also the same. If we spoil others' festivals, they will also spoil our festival. And thus, the peace of the society will disturb. For that, government has also made many efforts. Many laws are there related to it. Right to equality has been given to everyone, but it should be exercised by not hurting others. This way, we can enjoy. The, thus, our chapter is now. We shall move with the exercise in the next. Today we are going